Hello everyone, I'm Oliver Ricketts, video production specialist, and I'm here today to unbox the brand new PTZOptics SuperJoy PTZ Camera Controller. The SuperJoy brings remote panning, tilting, and zooming to the next level with a simplified user interface while still having advanced controls for experienced users. In front of me, I also have several PTZ cameras that you can control with the PTZOptics SuperJoy. This includes Bird Dog, NewTek, Panasonic, and of course PTZOptics. However, there are more controlling options. Basically, if it takes IP control, you can control it with the SuperJoy. Let's take a look at the box for the PTZOptics SuperJoy controller. So let's get into the box for the SuperJoy. And you can actually see the features of this controller right on the box. So I'm going to tilt it up. SuperJoy allows you to control via serial, IP, 3D joystick, so that's like an Xbox or a PlayStation controller, custom buttons, or power over Ethernet. And I'm going to jump right in here and open the box. And right as we get in, you'll see all of my necessary cables, i.e. my power cable. It's right here in this white box. And I have my different wall adapters, so I can use it wherever I might be. And also in this white box is my power cable. You'll also see in the box I have my instruction booklet for the SuperJoy. One thing I'll say about PTZOptics is their instruction manuals are incredibly detailed. This can be found online or right here in your box. Bringing back this cardboard flap, and here's the controller. I want to point out some things about the keyboard itself, mainly the much sturdier feel. This is not a plastic keyboard, this is an actual metal piece of equipment. You have all of your preset buttons, as well as your tilting, panning, and zooming controls, and you can actually speed these controls up as well. You also have knob control right here, and of course, it's the SuperJoy, you have your joystick as well. Also included is this LED screen, so when the controller is lit up, you'll actually be able to see all of your control configurations. You also have your custom buttons for your more experienced users to enable some more automation within your cameras. You can call up presets with the call button and set them with the set button. And one of the most important features here is that this controller actually has multiple modes. So you can go into basic mode or matrix mode. The main difference between your modes is there's basic and basic plus mode. These are for when you're working with a single camera and you want to quickly pull up presets and camera control just for that one camera. Then matrix mode will allow you to pull up presets for up to 3 cameras simultaneously. We'll actually be releasing a product spotlight that goes into full detail on what each mode is. The PTZOptics SuperJoy controller is backed by PTZOptics 2-year warranty and comes in at $899. This is a great piece to step up your production involving PTZ cameras and bring it to the next level. Thanks, everybody.